your Medicare health insurance though. I believe that you are on Medicare Part A and B, right?
Correct. See, you
Okay, so can
sound
I
you
ask?
sound you sound so full of life and energy. Can I have some of that energy you have?
Sure,
I just
sure,
want a
that's
little
no
bit.
problem. Okay.
You sound so
Sir.
full of life, man.
Okay, so sir, can I ask you real quick? Are you still paying for some other things like medical costs, deductibles, co-payments, drug prescriptions out of
Well,
your own pocket?
well, I'm not on no medication, no pills. So
Okay, but before sir, even a dollar, like on your co-pays.
oh, when I go to my doctor, yeah, I pay a copay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that is exactly the reason of my call, sir. To inform you that there are several ways to help you cover any
Okay.
additional costs
Hey,
that Part A and Part B won't cover for you.
excuse me.
Sure.
You sound so energetic, man. Can I have some of that?
Okay,
You
sure,
sound. How
sure,
old are
sir. So,
you? How old are you? You sound
oh,
young. So,
yes,
how,
basically I'm just 20-year-old. So, sir,
how old
just
are
to
you?
confirm,
You
20-year-old. So,
that's
just to
why. That's why
confirm,
you sound so full of energy.
okay. So just to confirm, your phone number is 41490. And what is your first and last name, sir?
My name is Felipe.
And your last name is?
Felipe Felipe Sanchez.
Oh, it's Felipe Sanchez. Felipe, what is your zip code?
53206.
It's
And
53206.
yeah, and
Okay,
my
and
birthday is 420 1956. I know I sound young, but I'm aging.
and just for clarity,
That's why I'm asking you. Can I have some of that energy you have? Cause
okay, sure. Okay.
you sound like you could bounce off the walls and just run over here, and you
Okay, so Sir Felipe, I have the correct information here on my end.
yes.
You know what, Felipe, we have our licensed specialist on the line
Are
that
you
will explain this free
are
information to you. So,
you're not the licensed specialist?
oh, we have our licensed specialist.
Oh,
So, do
but
you
you're not
have at
the
least 10 to 15 minutes available to speak
sure.
with our licensed
But you
specialist?
know what?
Okay, can
Yeah,
I take
but
it to
you
10?
know what? I'm enjoying talking with you. Man, I can feel your energy. I wish I had it. I like talking with you.
Okay,
I,
well, that's no problem. I can share it to you.
but man, I like that energy you got. You sound so full of
Okay,
life.
hold on a second, sir, okay?
Boy, must be so good to be young again. 20 years old, man. But you could
Hello,
run.
good afternoon. This is Andy
Yeah,
Moran
oh,
with this. Hello?
hi, hi. My name's Felipe.
Hi, my name is. Okay. My name is Andy Moran with Boost Health. I help beneficiaries with Medicare.
How are you doing?
Can I have your first and last name?
Felipe Sanchez. And you sound like you're so full of energy also, just like the other lady I was talking to. Can I have some of that energy that you have? Because I need it.
Well, a good night's rest is typically helpful with a couple cups of coffee in the morning.
Well, I had a cup of
You just gotta
coffee.
start early.
You know what I need? Coffee. I need
A couple of that, not one. You need more than one
no,
cup.
but like real strong, like Cuban coffee. That coffee is strong, like espresso. If I drank two of
Yeah,
those,
I actually just had Cuban coffee for the first time
yeah,
on Sunday.
that
Which is kind
stuff's
of funny
good.
that you mentioned that.
That stuff
It's
is
so
good.
sweet.
That's
I think it
good.
gives me a cavity.
Brush your
Yeah.
teeth.
Well, Felipe,
But yeah,
I know.
did you
We
bounce off the
mainly
walls?
discussed Medicare.
Yeah, did you bounce off the walls after you
No,
only had
I
one cup?
didn't.
But
Yeah, I had one cup, but I didn't really feel a difference.
that drink two, you.
Um,
But yeah, but you sound so full of energy. But the other, The girl before you, she sounded like she was full of energy.
That's good.
Yeah.
Felipe, do you have Medicare?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. And in addition to your Medicare, do you also by chance have any Medicaid?
Nah, I'm no poor. I'm retired. I'm no poor. I work.
So, okay. What about your secondary insurance Medicare?
I
Do you
got-
have Humana, United Healthcare?
I got United Healthcare.
Okay.
And and what else?
How much do you pay to see your primary care doctor?
Well, when I go see the doctor, I pay a copay like $10, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, I don't take medication because you know I drink coffee. I smoke cigarettes, and I smoke the marijuana too. But you know I don't take no, I don't got high blood pressure because you know I don't have stress.
Mm-hmm. That's good. So, no prescriptions. You pay $10 for primary care.
Yes.
What about specialists? Do you pay anything for specialists?
Well, I have the MS, the multiple sclerosis. You know, when I go see the neurologist, when I go see them, I pay like $50.
Okay.
But you know that I don't take
And what about?
I don't take the pill. But every 6 months I go for infusion. I go every 6 months, but I don't take pills. I don't take no pills.
Okay. So, what about your specialist visits? How much do you pay for a specialist visit?
$50.
50? Okay.
Yes.
So it's 10 for primary care and specialist is 50, and you don't take any pills or prescriptions. Okay.
Correct.
Are you paying a premium for your plan for United Healthcare?
I don't think so. I don't think
Okay.
so. Man, you sound so full
about
of you
your-
sound full of life. I like that. Sound so full of life, man.
Well, thank you. Felipe, in addition to your secondary insurance, so you have Medicare, you have United Healthcare.
Yes.
Are you also covered by any VA benefits
No.
or TRICARE or employer coverage?
No.
And are you married?
Thank God, no more. No. No, I'm single.
Is your income above or below $1,600 a month?
Above.
Okay.
But no, I no married no more. No. You married or no?
And then, yes, I am married.
You married? How long you been married?
No, not very long. Let's say 2 years.
You sound young.
Exactly, I'm very young.
How old are you?
The purpose of this call is to discuss your Medicare
I'm
benefits,
sorry.
okay? And we're just going to talk about that. That's
Okay, but I know married.
So,
I know married.
Is see what we can do.
Huh?
Good. It's not for everybody. So again,
Not for
Felipe,
me.
before we can proceed, I want to let you know that here with Blue Health Insurance, we do offer different Medicare Advantage plans, Medicare supplement plans, as well as standalone prescription drug plans.
I know.
Do I have your permission to
Sure.
discuss with you different plan types that we offer
Sure.
in order to find out that may best meet your
Okay.
needs?
But I'm not married.
So let's
I'm
see
single.
what
I'm
we can
single
do.
free. I'm single free like a bird. I try to make you laugh.
Let's see what we can do for you.
Okay.
Now, before we begin, here is a brief statement Medicare requires I read. This is for your protection. I do need to inform you that these calls, they can be monitored and recorded and shared with those insurance companies who administer the plans we offer.
I don't.
I
Okay.
also want to let you know you are not required to provide any health-related information unless it's necessary to determine your enrollment eligibility.
Okay.
Now, what is zip code?
53206.
Okay, and that's in Milwaukee.
Yes, ma'am. And the Bucks are the NBA champions. You ever been to Milwaukee or no?
And your birthday?
420
Your birthday is February
no 4.
13th, 1948.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
See, do I sound young though?
you do.
Thank you.
So, like I mentioned, the purpose of the call is to help you with your Medicare benefits.
Okay.
And,
I sound young because I drink coffee and I smoke marijuana. And the coffee, the Cuban coffee, I love it. But give me some of the energy you have.
I can't just transfer the energy to you. But like I mentioned, Felipe, the call here is just about your Medicare benefits.
Okay.
So I need.
I like excuse me. I like to make people laugh. I know I talk excuse my language. I talk a lot of shit, but I like to make people laugh. That's just me. I make you laugh a little bit.
I mean, the notes that we have for you, we've spoken to you before, but the name that was given was a Fred Smith.
Oh, that my friend. That my friend, my brother is my friend.
So,
you wanna talk to him?
No. Like I mentioned, we're just gonna talk about you and your plan and your benefits.
Okay, cause he got the Medicare también. He ordered them. I mean, he over in the kitchen. He drinking coffee. He drinking Cuban coffee right now too. They drinking coffee and smoking cigarettes.
Is he available?
See, you want me to call him?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you wait a minute? Okay, wait a minute. Mira, Fred, ven acá. Come here. And somebody on the telephone want to talk to you. Pero hurry up. Drink your coffee, smoke your cigarette. Hurry up. But he coming right now, okay? Wait, here he come. Wait a minute. Who is that? Who's that I'm talking to the young girl that she on the telephone. She work with the Medicare. She sound, she sound preciosa, pretty. She full of life. But talk to her, okay? Okay, I'll talk to him. Hello.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, how are you doing?
Okay. So, again, my name is Andy Moran. I help beneficiaries on Medicare.
Hi.
Friend,
Yeah.
can you verify your birthday for me?
Oh, my birthday is January 13th, 1948.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it seems like you may have mixed information. So since we don't have the correct stuff, I'm going to have to let you go, okay? You have a good day.
Why? What happened? Fuck 'em. Hello? I didn't get to mess with them. Well, I had them on the phone for about almost 16 minutes. But let me know what you think about this one. Like, comment, subscribe. My video that I want $4 million, man, that one, I'm getting a lot of views on that one. Man, you know what? Thank you. That's, wow. I got like 200 views and I just put it up on yesterday. But I'm getting a lot of views, man. You know what? Thank y'all very much. But with this one, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like this. And if they call me back, I'll record. You know me. But y'all have a good day, and I will holler at y'all. Alright then, peace.